Hello everyone! Today I will be reviewing Soft Natural Brows by Benefit Cosmetics. This is the product for the eyebrows, and it actually has several products inside. It went in a box like this, and there are product pictures. Here it says get natural looking brow definition with this goof proof kit. Inside are shaping stencils for an expert personalized brow shape, goof proof brow pencil shade 6. I took the brown, I think dark brown one, high brow pencil, creamy brow highlighting pencil, and 24-hour brow setter, which is a 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. So let's see what's inside. The box is metal. Alright, so let's open it. That's what's inside. Let's get the products out one by one. So the first is the stencils. And it looks like this. There is a little baggie here with stencils inside. There are 2 stencils, and it says straight brows on one, look 1 and look 2. Look 1 is a little bit more arched, and I guess look 2 is a little bit less arched. And arched brows, look 1 here and look 2 up here. So look 1 has like a very sharp arch, and look 2 has a little bit more rounded arch. Alright, we'll leave it out, and there is a stencil holder also, and I guess we will have to put it inside like this. This is made from plastic. It says Benefit on it, and it's silver color. So the second product is goof proof brow pencil. Looks like this. They're all kind of like silver color plastic. It's all plastic. So this pencil for the eyebrows has the pencil side, and it's slanted. I used it a little bit already, but it was even more slanted like this. And if you look at it like this, it has almost like a triangle shape. I don't know if you can see. The cap is pretty nicely done. It clicks when it's completely closed, so you know for sure that it's not gonna open. This is good. And the other side has a spoolie. Very small one. If you can see, it's kind of like on the smaller side. So the next is a high brow pencil, and it's a pencil. I guess this one is wood, but the cap is plastic. This is the creamy brow highlighting pencil, matte. I don't see any shimmer in it. You can see it. Yep. Next one is 24-hour brow setter, and it looks like this. It's almost like a little mascara looking thing, and it's clear. The brush here is silicone. It's flat on the side, and it has 2 sides that have brush bristles on them. This one is 3.5 mils, which is not bad. Also, the set has an instruction in here. You basically can just follow the instruction, and we're going to be following the instruction here. Let's try and use it. I have all my makeup except my eyebrows, so let's try and put it on my right eyebrow, left for you, because I have more light on this side. So the first tip, they call the tips shaping stencils. Stencil me in. Pick a shaping stencil, straight or arched, then slide it into the holder. Position the upper edge of the stencil along the base of your brow, then align the pink line with the highest point of your brow. Okay, so we'll do the arch ones, but not the one that's very arched, the other one. Okay, let me put it in. It's pretty nicely slides in and it holds in there. Okay, we will have to hold it like this and align the pink line with the highest point on the eyebrow. Oops. Okay, so when you press on it, when you try to align, it actually slides out. I don't know if I like that or not. Okay, let's try again. Put it in. Be gentle, and maybe don't try to like get too close to your face. Maybe like get a little bit further away from your face. The next step is goof-proof brow pencil. Draw the bottom line. Use goof-proof brow pencil to trace along the stencil. This creates a baseline for brows, which is the key to a great shape. Remove the stencil and fill in the rest of your brow. Flip the stencil horizontally, then repeat on the other eye. Okay, so we're doing just underneath, and we are tracing the line underneath. It did give me a very good kind of low line, if you can see. The third tip is highbrow pencil. Lift your look. Apply highbrow pencil under your eyebrow, following the arch. Lightly blend. This highlighter creates the illusion of brighter, boosted, and younger looking eyes. Okay, let's try doing it. Just with my finger, or you can use the brush, I guess. They don't provide anything to blend, but this is what it's supposed to look like, I guess. What we didn't do, we didn't fill the eyebrow, and that was supposed to be done after the line is drawn under. So let's try and fill in the eyebrow now.
Really light strokes, I guess, because this dark brown is pretty dark. Maybe I should have taken something lighter, but it's a good way to show you guys.
So I guess this is it, and I don't want to do too much. The third step is seal the deal. So take your 24-hour brow setter. It says apply 24-hour brow setter, 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel on brows using the long bristle side on the brush. Use short bristle side to sculpt and shape. Okay, so we apply it with this side that's on top. It's longer, there are longer bristles on there. So we just line first, kind of like this, and then shorter bristles that are on the other side of the brush. We kind of we will try to make the hairs lie down as we want them to lie down. Okay, so I guess we are done. Here it is, here's this eyebrow, and here's the other one. I think it's a very good product for somebody who doesn't have too much of experience with the eyebrow makeup. So let me do the other one and I'll come back. Alright, so I'm done with the other one, and although my eyebrows are not really exactly the same, I did a great job in using this product, and they now look very, very similar. Pros and cons of this product. First, I love the packaging. It's pretty big to travel with, for example, but it's a nice way to store it. All of the products in one package, so you don't lose stuff. But yeah, if you take it somewhere, I guess you will have to take it out of the box because it's a pretty huge box, like my face. Other pro, stencils. It's a good solution for somebody who doesn't have like a good shape eyebrows. So this will help a lot of people to create the shape in their eyebrows. Good thing they have 4 different looks. The other pro is the packaging. I love the packaging, although it's a plastic and then they're pretty light. I do like the packaging, nicely made. I also like quality of the pencil. This one is just a little bit too dark for me. I guess I just need a little bit lighter one for it to be less visible on my eyebrows. Let me see how much it is in just so you guys know what to expect. Okay, so this is the maximum, and I think I used like maybe 1 millimeter of it already, which is pretty good, I think. And the other pro is it's retractable. I love the retractable things. You don't have to sharpen them. It's for lazy people like me. Okay, so the caps are amazing. They are very nicely done. They're never gonna come off because it's nice and tight on there. So the other pro is all of the products in the same kit. That's very convenient for somebody who maybe doesn't know how to do eyebrow. They don't know what to use to create a good eyebrow shape. On a regular basis, I don't use all of them. I use maybe just the pencil, and at this point I have a microblading done. I'm just waiting for the touch up, and I don't think I'm going to be using anything on a regular day, but this is a good way to maybe create a good shape for going out and when you need something extra. The other pro, I think, is the instruction, and instruction is nice with the pictures on it. You just have to keep it somewhere because it doesn't fit inside of the box. The box is much smaller. This is the box, and these are the instructions. It's too big for the box, so you cannot really keep it in the box unless you just maybe fold it like this. But I guess if you've done it several times, like if you've done it maybe 10 times, it will be okay for you not to use the instruction. But yeah, that's the con, I think, that the instruction doesn't feel inside of the box. I guess I'm done with the pros. I don't like that it's a big pack like this, because if maybe it was like a little cosmetic bag that went with it and I can take it with me on the road, that would be a great idea for them to do. The other thing I don't like is that they don't have anything to blend the highlighter with, so that I was missing, so I had to use my finger, and I don't know that everyone can do that. So maybe suggest to get a fluffy brush, like maybe a small eyeshadow brush for that, to kind of blend it in a little bit more. The other con is that all of those products put together, not all of them are sold separately. For example, the stencil and the stencil holder doesn't sold separately. If you lost it, you will not be able to get it anywhere. You will have to get another pack of this. Stencil holder did not hold the stencil well. If you press just a little bit tighter, it actually comes off. So this is something that maybe they should work on. Maybe there is supposed to be some kind of clip that holds it really well in there. But yeah, twice the stencil got on the holder while I was holding it to my eyebrow. I guess that's all for pros and cons. I generally like this product. I would give it 8 out of 10. I would recommend it to anyone who is not skilled to do their eyebrows and like to follow instructions and like to use several products to achieve a very perfect result. A good product, Irina's approved. Thank you very much for watching this Good or Screwed video. And I hope I will be doing more videos like that. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing day. I love you all. Bye bye.